guys, it's Chris here from Some Bloke Who Travels a Lot, and today we are in Athens, more specifically at the Sofitel Athens International Airport. And this really is an airport hotel. As you can see, it's just a short stroll from the terminal to the hotel and just a shorter walk to the train into Athens. As you will see, I arrived late, which meant the location was heaven sent. I was also leaving early-ish, to catch a boat, so I didn't get the chance to explore the hotel in great detail. It was April the 27th when I arrived, which also meant that the hotel was still in many COVID restrictions, including a closed pool and spa. However, my return flight from Athens a week later, many of those restrictions had been lifted, so I contacted the hotel and they very kindly arranged for me to use the pool to pass the time on my long layover at Athens Airport. So many thanks to Sofitel Athens for arranging that for me. Now, if you want to see what I got up to in the week in between, please check out the channel for some Greek island hopping and videos from my travels from all over the world. Anyway, let's go and explore the room. Well, good evening from Athens. Or should I say good morning? It is, there you go, 20 past 1 in the morning. Flight was delayed. It was a night flight anyway. But luckily for me, we're at the Sofitel, so it was a quick stroll over. And let's have a scoop around. Now, they have upgraded me to a suite. Pretty sure this is a junior suite. Double check on the screen. And we've got an espresso, some espresso capsules, tea coffee cups. Bonjour, Monsieur Jones. Welcome to the Sofitel. Well, it looks like I don't have to run around the airport to buy a present for me mum. So just as long as she never watches this video, she'll never know. Well, that's my mum's present sorted out. Some water, a minimalistic living area. It's very pleasant, but Sofitels, we've normally got a lot of art on the walls, and we are blank. But we've got sort of funky light shades. Of course, there we go, massive TV. What have we got? I've got some work to do. We have our TV remote control, which is being charged up there. Some sanitizer, lovely. I've got plugs, European, no UK, no international. USB, good old fashioned Ethernet. A telephone that is well signpost. More water by the bed. Well, that's a big enough bed, isn't it? So that's definitely what they call a Super King. And another Super King style TV. Now, I did request. Now, that's all going to be an electronic blind, isn't it? What do we do? Do you think that has a key? Is that electronic? I'm going to have to find out. And there's no point me pointing the camera out at the moment, so we'll do that in the morning. If you really want to black out, it's actually pretty cool. You sort of completely shut off the world. That's not messing about. Now, for an airport hotel, it's probably one of the few hotels where you really want a complete blackout. That's pretty cool. I've not seen that before. So, where are we now? Our air conditioning, full length mirror. There was another mirror in the other place that I didn't check. Well, I know that's the bathroom. Let's not pretend. All my stuff's in there. And in the wardrobe, fluffy robes, fluffy slippers, and a nice size safe. Excellent. Yeah, that's all right. And what have we got in this cupboard? Oh, and an ironing board. Gotta have that. I know, it's a 5-star hotel, it's Sofitel, it's wonderful. Now this door, my first impression was it is a it's a connecting door, but then I noticed that, which tells me it's a bathroom. So we have a separate WC. Behind me is a little sink. So, as if by magic, I will move all my stuff out of the bathroom, put all my stuff somewhere else, and we'll go and walk into the bathroom. Well, I wonder what could be behind these doors. Actually, it's a pretty cool bathroom. Because it is a bathroom. It's not just an elaborate wet room. Because inside the wet room is the bathtub. And it is a full length bathtub. So we're not compromising. So we've got a bathroom shower. Fancy sink, it's all mirrored. And what posh smellies have we got? We have olive era hair wash, body wash, and we've got a stash over here. Right, I'm going to bed. I know I always do the pullback, but it's Sofitel. It's gorgeous, and I'm going to be in it in about 10 minutes time. We're going to have a shower. And once I've had a shower, soft but not too soft, firm but not too firm. I just love them. Best beds I ever stayed in. Anyway, shower time, bed time, and then we'll go and have a look at the window, see if we can see any aeroplanes. Really nice. Long layover at the airport, and I've got a locker. Apparently there's a towel in my locker. There's a bathrobe, there are slippers, there is my towel, and lots of toiletries. Need to have a good wash. No problem waiting for my flight. Here, brilliant.